Ugh. Everything. Okay, I'm turning everything on and off. It doesn't seem to work today for some reasons. Maybe it's a problem on Twitch side. Yeah, it's not updating. What's going on? Okay.
Hello？
根本就是什么都没有哎。
啊？什么意思？
我在那个 Twitch 的网站根本就没有在，我现在在 stream， 我现在都没有又打开了，然后什么都没有，Twitch 没有反应。
我在 Restream 看你好像正常，你现在把游戏画面停下来，然后你的头动来动去，你有开 Webcam 吗？
你现在看 Restream 吗？可是 Twitch 什么都没有啊。
Twitch 要等10秒钟。
有，
它要 buffering 啊。
哦。
它不是 instant 而已。
好像可以了。
我现在看起来都正常啊。我看一下声音，可能你现在还是我们这边嘛，对不对？
都有了，好 OK。
我这边看起来是都正常哦。下。
What a mess. Yep, it looks like it's working. Okay. Hi, Pandora. Hi, Car. Yeah, it seems like that was messy. I don't know why I had a weird lag. Working fine. Okay, got it. Oh well. Sorry about that. When it's not my fault, because that wasn't my fault. Unless we said no, I touched nothing. I just stop streaming. Yeah. Also, hello guys. I can hear y'all. Don't understand nothing though. yeah. They were helping me trying to find out what was wrong. Yeah, weirdly enough, I don't know. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know. Started the thing, nothing worked. Yeah, I guess, wait. Yellow pins. So I've been including a lot of tiny small changes to everything. So now, as you can see, all the shops have been. Well, okay. Let's get to it. Okay. First, cheers. And I'm happy to see you guys here, as usual. So yeah, I've updated a couple of things. First of all, like I've separated the shop location from being on by default. So now, as you can see on the minimap, they are not here. And they don't show up here neither until you buy them in the workshop. And I'm going to take you to the workshop now. I've got a couple of things to show. Ouch. Ooh, that's weird. Oh yeah, I've been also planning on doing a couple of tweak if I can before the release of the upload of the new build. A couple of things. First things that Yashiki is demanding. Just a few hours ago, another streamer I watched also had insane problem with the OBS. Maybe some problem with the OBS server. Yeah, maybe that's what's happening here. Yeah. Okay. At least it's not my fault. Which is nice. Usually it's mine. Usually it's a problem with the game. And today it's not. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah, Yashiki is asking me to add a system for resource collection throughout the city. Like you pick up some collectibles. Like it's kind of like the system you get in Sunset Overdrive, where you pick up socks and panels and what else? Toilet paper and such to unlock upgrades. Except that on this side it's going to be used for various things like repairing stuff and yeah. So he's asking me to set up such a system and put like thousands of locators throughout the city and have them spawn randomly. So you pick them up as you skate around and you can use them for various missions. That's the idea. So I'm going to implement that probably this week. Yeah, not probably. I'm going to do that this week. And the other thing I wanted to do also, I've colored the little drone here. Oh yeah, so yeah, that's the new UI. As you can see, it's brand new, shiny, and I don't think you've seen it, although it's been here for 2 weeks now. But I think last time it bugged out. So yeah. Simple. It's simplified, and also it shows a description of what the menu goes to. So you've got the shop here. Boop. In the shop, you can buy. I already bought all the modules, so you can buy all the modules and various things such as the map shop location, the flashlight, and the picture mode. The battery is automatically bought through Natixta's first mission. Let's just buy. Okay, let me show you first. So in the drone setting, for now you have. Oh come on! My neighbor is piercing his wall. Everything sucks. Don't do that while I stream, please. Oh yeah, so you can see the drone. Yashiki wanted me to model a new drone, and one that is more cute and look more like a civilian. I hope you don't hear that too loud. The neighbor is doing some wall piercing disco thingy. Annoying. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, there's shop location, flashlight. I might change the text. That's actually what I wrote by default. Previous stream, the thing did bug, so I'm quite interested in those. Okay, preparing for the alien invasion by reinforcing his wall. Yeah, that's what he's doing. My neighbors know what's going on. I should go and check with him. Yeah, software not found. Go to the shop menu to install it first. That's one way to do it. Since there aren't that many software for the drone, I just put them all here so you can see them, and that way you press it, you see that message, you go to the shop and you buy it. That's one way to do it. Maybe I should just hide whatever is not bought. That's another way to do it, but I was thinking, well, you come to the drone setting to see what's up. Maybe it's better to show what can be turned on and turned off, and if you don't have it, just have that message. So I don't know what's better. That certainly work. So now I have the drone map, the shop locations. If I go here and press that, I can turn it on and off, and that's the idea. And still no flashlight, and I can do the same for the flashlight and the drone picture mode. So those two modules don't have an icon yet. I forgot about that. I need to do that. We don't hear drilling that much. It sounds like heavy gamepad vibration. Okay, great. That's better because I hear it very loud. It's like right in my ear. Okay. So there we go. At least you know that it's D-pad up and down. Although I thought it was going through a function that would change the D-pad up to a presentable way of writing, and also automatically change to the keyboard version of that D-pad up, which is arrow up, I think. But that's not working anyway. Hello Natixta, salut, comment ça va? Bonjour, bonjour. Comme tu peux voir, je suis en train de présenter le nouveau UI, le nouveau user interface du Leros Workshop. Battery settings. So this is the brand new screen also. The most complicated one of all those new menu. As you can see, you can now update, and as asked by you, so you guys influence a lot the game just by streaming and talking to me like that. The grind max speed is now in that stat upgrade menu. You can, right now it's set to 20 km/h maximum. You can upgrade it by paying money. The price goes up, and now I can only upgrade one thing. I already bought 3 module slots. That's the energy, the amount of energy. EVA is a real thing. I'm not sure what it means, but I did some research until I was sure that EVA was good to go. I completely forgot what it means, but it doesn't matter. It's okay to use it. Scaling and acceleration, max speed, grip. The grip, I don't want to enter the detail, but the grip is kind of a complicated math thingy. Yeah, so module slots, you can buy up to 6 modules. You can see that the battery icon is kind of small. I can kind of squeeze 2 more modules if needed, but I think 6 is enough. I don't have that many modules to install anyway, so we'll see. Damn, he's pushing that drill like he's... Okay, never mind. Okay, and that's it. And you can go to the training facility and test all of those things. So that's it. It didn't. So Yashiki told me that he momentarily put a lot of cubes in the new area just to see where the pedestrian would be. He was worried that it would make my build lag a lot. It doesn't seem so. For now, it looks like a solid 60 FPS. Grind max speed hasn't changed after purchase bug. Yes, maybe. Let's test it out. So let's see. 24. Ah, it's a bug. No, 24. That's more than 20. No, it's working, but I don't know why it's not going to... Oh no, it's 5x5, maybe. So now it's 25 max. You have to buy it several times. Yeah, I think that's I think that's what's going on. 25 max. So it's working, but it's not displaying it right. Okay. Can you write it down, Yashiki? Young. Display of Grand Max. Not updating. Shoo. I was talking about something else. Yeah, I wanted to, and also I've been thinking a lot about the combat systems here. There's just a couple of things I wanted to add, but that's not big deals. It's pretty much like the aerial combat is kind of meh. You basically, when you're in the air and you press melee attack, you just go into a vertical spin motion, and when you touch the ground, you just do a big slam. Which is kind of killing the momentum and going against what I designed the skating combat for, because killing momentum is the last thing I want to do, unless if I fell from very high, in which case I will leave the big slam. On the other hand, the big slam is really cool to watch. I'm definitively going to put some of that animation in the trailer, the upcoming trailer. Oh, I have the wall ride. Oh yeah, I don't know if you know that, but I've also updated the wall ride. No, yeah, I think you know. Now the wall ride is streamlined. It only goes horizontally, but it's easier to control. And you can also do that to climb up vertically, so it doesn't. You still have all the possibilities open to you. Oh, whoa. Let's go back there. Okay, never mind. I think meters would work better than number on the menu, as the measurement system and algorithm are different. Yeah, okay. 20. Yeah. For the grind speed, I can write kilometer per hour. That totally works. For the others, yeah, I didn't. That's kind of that's Polish pretty much. I didn't think that much when I was writing the code. It was working and I was good with it. But yeah, I'm going to also add units to those. Ooh, okay. So Yashiki, you were right. Adding those cubes really made it lag. I just need to not look at the cubes, probably. Yeah, pretty much. So the cubes are that way. Ouch. Woo! Yeah. The lag is on. The lag is real. Woo! Oh, a lag in that area with the fountain. Slam pedestrians. Yep. Yeah, so Yashiki right now is just placing the pedestrian, but since my system is... Woo! Again, that happened. Again! It's quite easy to make it happen, actually. I should check it out. Okay, big bug. Write it down. Again. Wow, okay. So I just need to jump on that slope and it's going to happen. Ah, it's the wall ride. The wall ride menu. It's trying to wall ride that thing. Yeah, that's okay. More bug for me to fix. So you can see now why I didn't add much features those past weeks. I've been debugging small things like this. And obviously by working on the new workshop stats, I've added a lot of tiny bugs that I need to debug. So that's that. I should update one of my build board just to say cubes. Yeah, that's true. You have a build board for you to do whatever you want to do. Cubes. Let's see. Let's check out those cubes. Where are they? I don't see any cubes here. What was all that lag for? Maybe Yashiki didn't get to that place yet. Let's check out the drags. Oh, there's a pedestrian here. Okay, so the cubes are there and the pedestrians are there too. I suppose he left the... Yeah. Oh man, so many people are... Everybody against the wall. Cell phones out. One leg up. This is the new thing. Okay. So yeah, I suppose you don't see the pedestrian when you place the locator there, because that's the way I wrote it. But it's not convenient for Leo because he couldn't see where he placed his pedestrians. So he temporarily just put cubes everywhere. Okay. It's kind of creepy. Hey, tofu guys. Tofus are everywhere. Whee! Brilliant. Brilliant wall bug. So yeah. Now the slums are populated by tofu people, as you can see. It's another problem we got. That reminds me of the Resident Evil 2 with a tofu bonus run that I actually finished. You only have the knife and you have to go through the mansion. Wait, was that the first or the second one? Kind of forgot. No, I think it's the second. I finished the first many times. I don't think there's any tofu there, people. Anyway. Yeah, okay. So I can see what's going on here. By the way, I've added, oh, that's also a new thing. I've added some optimization code for the night time. Wait. Yeah, thank you. I was going to say there's a bug here. Well, when I press the end button, that's a debug button, so it's not supposed to happen in the normal version, so it's fine, it's fine. That's a bug that is alright to keep. Because it's the debug button that's not supposed to work that way. Anyway, so much Blair Witch pedestrian, yeah. That bug is so easy to get now because of a slope climbing thingy. No, it's just that my wall ride code is checking for angles that you can get with slopes, so it's just that. It's not hard to fix though. I'll just check my wall climbing conditions and just deactivate the ones where it's a slope. That should do the trick. So there's no lighting here yet, so I'm going back to the main city. Let's see. Suppose going up here. There's a good way there. Yeah, okay, so Cube Town. Cube Town is cute. I'll come back once the cubes are taken out. Ooh. Oh wait. That's a dead end. I was going to say cul-de-sac, which is a weird expression in French, which means dead end in French. And but literally it means the butt of a bag, which means dead end pretty much. French. Ah, the French. Woo! Hey. That dead end smells like cutscene to me. I kind of agree. It's a good place to put some deals, shady deals happening or something. I don't know. Some cutscene, like you say. Hello, Lucky Dragon Geo. How are you doing? We've been talking about Tofu Town over there. Yashiki's been placing all the pedestrian in the slums, and because the way I did it, you cannot see the pedestrian while you place the locator. It's hard for Yashiki to work like that way, so he's putting cubes there. And now, right now, on this build, all the pedestrians have cubes on their face, which is funny to see. Anyway, French and their back butts. Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, so I've optimized the night version of the game. Now, I guess we still need to place more lights throughout the city, but yeah, here it's not very obvious. Ouch. Get up. Get a ruby. No, it's not the time to take a nap. Yeah, as you can see, now I activate. It's kind of a meh. I activate and deactivate lights based on the distance to Ruby. That optimizes a lot. Unfortunately, right now it's not very precise to watch because Slum Town over there has bazillions of cubes, which makes the whole game lag. So if it's you cannot really see my optimization working here, but it should be a solid 60 FPS all throughout the skating session, which is not the case right now. But oh yeah, so yeah, basically I just all those real-time lights are deactivated when I'm out of them. And I've also noticed that there was a ton of real-time lights that are still on when for no reasons, even if I'm super far from them. That's mainly because I've added a light in the dialogue trigger prefab, which makes it every dialogue lit. But by doing that, I kind of doomed the FPS of the game whenever there are missions coming out that are not. But it's fixed. I fixed everything. Life of Game Dave. I knew the expression cul-de-sac, but I didn't know the literal translation. It's funny. Yeah, Q is butt. Q is butt. And sac is the bag. The butt of a bag. Woo! Boop. Yeah, let's go to Tofu Town. Brah! Brah! What? Oh, so only the tofus are there. Okay. So inside, the tofu people are populated by pedestrian, but here there's only tofu. Alright. Yeah, this is going to be cool. Once everything's set up. I asked Yashiki to put a path inside, because right now I'm going through... This tofu is meditating. Anyway, I suppose there's a way up over here, maybe? No, that's not a way up. Okay. I still get the double props here, bug. Yashiki told me that he fixed that, but I can see that it's not the case. It's not updated yet. Boop. I know he's shy about showing a new area too early, but I think it's fine. It's fine. Work in progress. We're judging now. We're judging you now, but it's fine. Don't worry. It's fine to be judged, but don't get yeah, because of the double prop bug. This whole street is a mess. Man, the slums is really a slum. Slum town. Wait, the pedestrians were appearing before. It's not the case anymore. What's going on? Did I break that too? No. I saw an arm. Yeah. Okay, so I guess only the pedestrians up here are inside the tofu, which is not the case. Cool, now I can swear in French. 4th language to swear in while playing video game badly. Thanks. You're welcome. French is an excellent language to swear in. They have words, many words created only for swearing. Which is nice. You can go ahead. Well, I guess all the kids do that, like create monstrous strings of swearing words that mean stuff that are kind of funny. Yeah, whatever. Shoo. Yeah, okay, well, I guess I'll just switch it back to night time here, because the slums are devoid of all light for now. Still a little bit of sunlight. I wonder... I should check my code for sky swapping. I don't know why Ruby gets repositioned in weird places. Anyway, woo! What was I saying? Yeah, I was talking also about the combat system, yeah. So, I just told Young and Yashiki this morning, that's something that I was thinking about a couple of days ago. Like aerial combat, when you jump up and your distance is still close to the ground, but you're going up. At that time, if you press the melee attack, I would go with a upward kick, and if you go backward, it's a backward kick. Of course, that will throw enemies in the air. Of course, I keep whatever is already in when you're far enough from the ground. And if you're close to the ground but you're going down, I would replace the slam that we have right now that kills the momentum with a leg sweep that keeps your momentum. So that's the whole thing that I want to implement, because I noticed that the slam is very useful to kill many as an area of effect attack that really hit hard on all the enemies around you, but it kills the momentum, which is something I don't want. So yeah, that's that. I don't have enough speed to do a spin boost right here. I guess I'll just go talk to the... So yeah, right now I'm still testing the game. polishing phase is mostly testing, so I couldn't add much feature. I'm sorry about that. Are her leg bouncing because of the type of ground, or is that just a video glitch? It's neither, actually. I've put a code for, how do you call that? So do you know IK, which is something kinematic, something inverse kinematic? It's usually it's a controller in animation that allows you to control two bones at the same time. Like if you put an IK here and you move that IK like that, it's automatically going to calculate the rotation that would make sense for those two bones. So that an IK is used for legs and arms. Some animator prefer direct rotation, direct control. I do all my animation using IK pretty much. There's a couple of exceptions, like if you're doing a spinning motion like that, it's going to be held to just rotate the IK all the way. So you just switch into forward kinematic and just keep it straight, and just that's the only place where I use forward kinematic. Anyway, yeah, I was talking about IK because so while animating I'm using it, but also in Unity I add a layer, another layer of automatic positioning of the legs, so that whenever one leg is higher, maybe I can do that here. I mean, most games, most games does that. Most AAA game does that. I don't think I have seen many indie game do that, but I can do that, so I did it. It's pretty much, yeah. So as you can see, I guess I can go back to it and try to fix that. So I'm repositioning the leg so that it. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. I'm having trouble trying to explain. So yeah, the foot is repositioning to the ground so that it doesn't go through the ground when you're skating. That's pretty much it. However, I think there's a problem with the update. The moment it repositioned, pretty much, because I'm moving Ruby and her animation are playing in a fixed update, which is an update that is used for physics stuff. And I think those IK repositioning thingy is updating in another update loop. Anyway, technical stuff, whatever. I didn't really care about it because it looks like she's so it kind of works, and it's accidental, but it's whatever. I think it's cool, kind of. Yeah, I guess I can fix that, but I kind of don't want to because it looks kind of quirky, but also it's kind of cool. Like she's like that, kind of like that. Yeah, that's accidental, but that kind of works. Yeah, I don't know. If I have time, I'll fix it. If I don't, I'll leave it. I think it's fine to leave it for now. Anyway, have you been able to give further thoughts to the road surfaces which I mentioned a few weeks back? I would think, much like how you are turning lights on off, you could use this approach to overlay textures on some part of the road, maybe. Yeah. Well, it's not really a priority now. Okay, so I have 1 week, pretty much. Less than 1 week to do the system with the material I told you about. I also have to add something else. I forgot what. What were you saying? Overlay texture of the road. I thought about something and then I forgot about it. That happens that happens too frequently in my taste. Hey, what's up, Twin Master? How are you doing? I get what you're saying, just caught my eyes. I don't know if I saw it before. It has always been there since the prototype, actually. The IK thing. Hey, Tofu Girl. Now you're not a tofu girl. Thank me later. Brr, brr, brr. Yeah, it looks buggy. All right, it's buggy. It's only cool when I'm doing that, like I'm breaking. But here it's like she's got Parkinson or something. Yeah. I guess I'll have to fix that. I understand and I'm interested. I was curious about limbs relative positioning too. Yeah, the code is working. It's just the update. I'm updating it at the wrong time. So there's an offset between the display and when it happens. And that's why you get the brrrr. Whee! Okay, just tofus here, no pedestrians. Whee! Oh, I didn't get the... Okay, whatever. Tofu Town, the best place to hang out. I think this place is going to look really nice once all the yellow work in progress things is done. I mean, you got sakura trees, you got restaurants over here, you got tofu people. You can chill here, you really can chill. Well, everything takes time. Seems like your company improved well on map user interface. Did it? Well, yeah, I suppose, yeah. Oh yeah, compared to what you have in the early access, of course. Well, compared to what you have in the early access, there's a ton of things that has been changed, added, modified, upgraded, updated. It's coming next month, which is very close. And I have to finish. I have to do the material collecting system. I have something else to do, but what? I forgot. What was it? Why do I talk like that now? Huh. Yeah, well. Miles beyond current Steam build. Yeah, of course. We've been working hard and fast and on many things. We reworked the whole game. Like the whole game from the beginning is very different from the early access. All the missions are different. All the mission has been polished. Of course, it's going to be very different. Well, there's been a lot of thoughts and discussion about that. Going inside early access was a thing. Like I said, was a decision that kind of was hard on us. But on the other hand, that made us upload and build every month, which kind of slowed the production process. On the other hand, it allowed us to grow our community and get feedbacks. That also boost our production time, which is kind of how do you say? Which is yeah, it's just 2 steps back or 3 steps forward and 3 steps back and stuff like that. That's what I want to say, but I don't know how to say it. Up next, check your mail. Those that work again. Feels like I saw a developing layout of Blue Pulse. Yeah, wait. Oh yeah, story-wise, okay. Let me debug the game because that's why I'm here. Man, I've been talking and just getting around with no reason. Let me go back to the slums, talk to the robot. Robobot. Smiling bus station. Words with no context. Lag. Okay, I'll watch the other way, just so you guys don't suffer through that. Tofu Town is taking a toll on the build on my computer. Okay. Woo! Yeah. Whoop. It's funny because it takes the gravity downward and becomes left is the down of the... Anyway. More bugs for me to fix. Shoo! Twin Master. Day-night cycle not quite possible considering manpower situation. Too difficult to implement, doesn't worth it. When there's more important things to do, like the plot. Oh, okay, day-night cycle, okay. I know you had the technical issue at the start of the stream, but the link I sent you is literally dialogue script, including animation direction. I had 2 minutes to take a look at it, and I think I really like what I saw. The toast story to how it begins, and also how she reacted at first. I really like it. Of course, she's going to be what a lame thing, and I think that's really great. Okay, so let's talk to the robot, and yeah, Natixta route. Natixta route has been fixed. I think I checked on it. You didn't see it, but I think I checked it, and it's working now. It was simply lacking a little code for Natixta NPC to rotate her head toward Ruby when she's talking to her. And that little script that was missing made the whole game bug. But it's fixed. Boop. Yeah, day-night cycle. I've added a little... yep, it's here. I've added a little value to the save file manager that allows you to save the... Because before, whenever it goes into night, I didn't save that, so if you just close the game and open it up, you're at the same mission, but it's daytime. Now this is fixed. Now I save whatever time of the day I set it up. I plan to add more time, but that's not something that stops the game from being played, so I'll add it when I got the time. But I plan on adding sunsets and sunrise. Maybe also apocalypse time. Yeah, that's a nice sky time to have. I mean, when the alien invasion comes, you gotta have some red sky, orangey sky or something, I don't know. Crazy sky with crazy things. Anyway, cool song. Punkhead robot. I didn't know, sorry. Don't be sorry. It's fine, ask anything you want. And of course, yeah, there's no problem by not knowing anything. I'm the kind of guy who wouldn't totally happy to tell someone who doesn't know about things. No, there's nobody false if you don't know anything anyway. Blah blah blah. Rain day. Oh yes, rain day. So yeah, that makes me think that before, a long time ago, when Natixta knows that, the real life Natixta knows that, he played that build a long time ago when there was only UD46, the underground district. During Christmas, I made it so it was snowing in the underground, which is kind of fun. It's kind of dumb, but and also Ruby had a Christmas hat. So yeah, about that, I guess I could make something work. In the UD46, I was able to just make it snow just by putting crazy amount of particles snowing down. It was okay because the scene was small, but in the whole city, I don't think it's going to be that easy to implement that without thinking ahead about the implementation. Ooh, oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, the camera is going through the wall. So, yeah. But cloudy day, yeah, cloudy day is completely doable. Rain, I would love to add some rain and have also a filter on the camera, so you see some rain drops on the camera. That would be cool. Weather system too, in case for this development phase. Yeah. Right now there's a... I mean, I wrote the base structure of everything, so I could just add more. It's just acquiring, creating skyboxes, and adding particles if necessary, and changing all the lights of the world, adding reflection cubes, setting up the skylight manager so that everything swaps at the right time, and I think it would be good. Yeah, that's some work. It's still some work, but yeah, that's completely doable. Maybe it needs more knowledge or trick for the development. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Clouds. Yeah, also fogs. Fog settings. I think that would be something that, I mean, if there's rainy day, I would change the fog color and the fog distance. And doing that, one trick I could do is to reduce the fog distance and reduce the camera view distance so that you display less things, which would increase the FPS, which would allow me to reduce the FPS again by adding rain. That's a lot of testing, a lot of work, a lot of things to do, so we'll see. The game is frozen. Yes. Well, thinking about all the weather. Come on. Alright. Why did it froze? I guess... Oh! Wait, is it? Yeah. I think it kind of makes sense. Does it? No, I don't know why it's froze. Did the game lagged? Okay, so my guess is because I've been adding some stuff to the... No, I don't know why. Honestly, I don't know why. Settings. And this broke too. Okay, I wasn't sure. I had a hunch. I don't know why. Okay, Young and Yashiki, can you write that down? The scene is broken. The game menu, the options are broken. It's probably a... Yeah, of course. I've changed all the workshop thing. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry, guys. I have to just reboot the whole thing. Okay, so my guess is because yeah, that's the thing. When I touch all the stats and the saves, of course, it's going to break a ton of things, and I have to check everything thoroughly, which is what I'm doing right now, but I didn't check the main menu's options, of course, because all the options changed. And while loading those options variable, it's finding weird things, which is normal because I've added and deleted things. Sorry, let me press that. Anyway, maybe more of the new graphic cards. Cloud World! Yeah, Cloud World will be cool. Oh. Yeah, Cloud World will be really cool. Okay, let's go to credit should work. Yeah, credit work. I like that view also. It's a nice view. The game needs more cute girls. I don't remember where I've seen the solution, but there's a thing where it's raining, snowing, only in tiny sphere around playable character, not much to render and dropping FPS. Oh, okay. I've actually myself written a little thing. So in the Dreamscape, I took it out actually. I don't know why. In the Dreamscape before, I made what I call a matrix of mist and it's a 9x9 block of a prefab of the mist particle system, which will just move as you move. Like, I don't want when you skate that the mist follows you. I just want just want you to go past the mist. And the way I'm doing that is like I'm putting Ruby right in the middle of that matrix, and whenever she advances one cube of that matrix, the row behind just advance one thing. So that's just an idea I had and I created. I have no idea how other people do, but that's how I did. So maybe what you saw is something like that, but it's a tiny sphere, so I think it's different. Mine was really like a cube, like a 9x9 or 3x3 something. Computer core. Oh, that drilling sound. When the dream world was flat, you could go in any direction. That was a trippy time, yeah. That's great that you say that, because that's exactly what I wanted you to feel. There are still many occasions for the game to show you some trippy times, so it's fine. I was reading last time about still that early access thing, that it's not really great for games that are like linear. It's better for open world, and it's better to have your game finished. Yeah, I read a lot of things about the early access. I think we fit like 60%. No, we still fit a lot, like 75%, I think. Early access, the early access model. However, because it's still open world, you still can kind of do many things, but the main plot is linear. It's an adventure, and also the player gets to get to the fighting system quite late, and yeah, I don't know. There's a lot to talk about, I guess, in that thing. For the improvement of the PC or the server, computer core. Oh, so okay, maybe more of the new graphic cards. Christ. No, yeah. So the lags are normal. Like I said, Yashiki, who is our environment artist, has been placing all those pedestrians location in his new area over there, and whenever you see me pointing my camera over there, the game is going to lag. It's not really, I mean, my computer is old, it's like 10 years old, but back then when I bought it, I had the luxury to buy a very good computer, so even now I think it's not that bad. I also bought a huge ton of RAM. Because I often play games while also working, while having many very RAM heavy software open, so I need a big heavy amount of RAM. So what was I going there? So yeah, performance wise, what you see here is completely wrong. Like it's not. Don't worry. The cubes, Tofu Town is going to get rid of all the tofus once Yashiki is done by placing all the pedestrians. So don't worry about that, it's alright. Oh, that could be a cube actually. Adding a sphere is more effective performance-wise, but cube is easier to implement. Consider the coordinate system. Well, that's my system, that's the one I thought about and I created. I have no idea. Maybe there's a good way to do that with spheres. And you are right. Spheres calculation is faster for collider and distance calculations, which doesn't really matter in that thing because I'm not using collider at all. wait, I wanted to take that thing. Woo! 360 camera view! Woo! Yeah, that's a new thing. Also, I think you didn't see it, but the first time, maybe it was, I don't know. It is supposed to smoothly go from this camera view to the 360 views and back, but it looked like a cut to me. So yeah. Let's go take another figurine and check it out. I think there are figurines over there. Maybe I just had a mini lag at the wrong time. I think that's it. 6 years, my RX 580 still kicking strong. All the new shiny things looks nice, but I can't wait till the Bitcoin bubble pops again. Ah, Bitcoins. What about the RAM that has better performance and storage for data in 4 and or more similar amounts? I don't know, man. I kind of Young is actually way better than me hardware about hardware talk. I kind of lost track of everything and didn't upgrade my knowledge about any hardware since more than 10 years ago. Because 10 years ago I had a great computer, but it was Young still that helped me make my computer. The computer that I'm using this to do things now. So yeah, I'm out of the loop and it's been a very long time. I'm kind of focusing my knowledge more on updating everything on creating games. So yeah, I kind of have no idea what you were talking about. My knowledge of hardware is very old, actually, super old. Where did I want to go? What am I doing with my life? Question of the day. So I have more icons to do. Can you write it down? I have a couple of icons. There's, yeah, and I should update that too. The stats menu and the abilities. Now I can do that too. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm sorry. Now it's my turn to be sorry because of my ignorance. Sorry, I don't know. Same. Want a new GPU so badly. Yeah. Well, on my end, as long as I can play games, I'm fine. Yeah, I've been playing. I haven't been playing much games lately. I've been playing Final Fight Ultimate LNS something. It's a beat 'em all that was made by using OpenBore, which is an open source beat 'em all thingy, and that game is super hard and really got me into the game. And there's like 100 of characters, all the big Capcom's names, and I'm having a ton of fun with that. Maybe that's why I'm not playing much games. Besides that, I've also been playing another indie game that's named Raksasi Devil Slayer. It's a bunch of waifus that are fighting devils. It's a roguelite. It's super hard in the beginning. It becomes super easy by the end as you unlock things. It's a roguelite. I haven't played much For Honor lately. I tried the new character. Yeah. I guess it's by period. Now the period finally stopped, and I don't really have much incentive to play that game anymore. Anyway, did we lose Faye? Maybe. I'm lost myself. I don't know what I'm talking about, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm talking about random stuff. I'm sorry. Anyway, holy buffer Batman. Yeah, sorry. I am a big nerd when it comes to that kind of stuff. Rarely get to play with it, but I have built a few computers for clients in the past year. Yeah, I think there are many people. I used to be that nerd too for a time, but then I stopped updating my knowledge about the hardware, and and I cannot do that anymore. Now it's Young who's doing that for for us, which is cool. The 6,800 is what I have my eyes on once the price is manageable. Okay. Holy buffer Batman. That's one awesome sentence for me to say, I think. Hey, stream glitching again, right? It seems so. The drill hit the internet line. Oh, okay. I just checked in on another streamer. It's not us. Okay. That's good to know. So you guys are not hearing me? No more coffee. It's a sad time. No more coffee. What will I do with my life? I need more coffee. Actually, you know what? I'm going to eat a mint chocolate. This stream is going nowhere now. I mean, everything is broken. The things are not showing up. You guys are... Well, I can see right behind that Twitch is struggling to show stuff, so... Bon appétit. Oh man. This sucks. So right now, I'm watching the world burn. I mean, the world of Twitch burning behind my OBS screen. I don't know why. There's something therapeutic to it, maybe. Watching things broken. And knowing it's not your fault and there's nothing you can do. I mean, in the beginning of the stream, when this happened, I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? But now that I know it's not my fault, I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll just eat a chocolate and some walnuts and chill out. I feel better. I feel fine. Yes, it's OBS glitching. It seems that a lot of streamers is dealing with it. Okay. Maybe a bunch of people jumped on his Wi-Fi. That would be a funny reason. Stop taking my Wi-Fi. I just checked in on. Yeah, okay. So it's a streaming thingy. Oh well. Oh, I haven't heard of that. Got a few friends who stream regularly. Okay. I guess it's a. Well, yeah, okay. That's too bad. Oh, interesting. Oh, that's because